Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Lexus and this is my creative space where I do a little bit of everything, ranging from beauty to every now and then something fashion, cooking videos, and also lifestyle. So welcome. Please make sure you hit that subscribe button if you are new or if you're returning and have not done so, because I greatly appreciate the support and the love. Please make sure you leave comments or any suggestions in the comment section as well of this video. I do always go back and read those and respond to your comments. Make sure you check out my last upload in this 31 Days of Lex series, and we're just going to go ahead and get started. This is going to be a brief little day in the life as a mompreneur, I should say now, versus just an entrepreneur, because I'm a mommy and entrepreneur and a grad student and a wife, and my life has been a little bit hectic the past couple of weeks, I would say. I've been doing thorough amounts of research for things on my business and lots of phone calls and meetings and organizing and planning, and I am just about to explode. But it's okay, I'm here. You guys, I'm gonna be 25 in just a couple more weeks. In just 2 weeks from tomorrow. I'm probably a little stir crazy right now. Like, I could use a cup of Starbucks. I really could. I'm a little done right now. I've been up and running since like 7 a.m. That is like my mindset now. I don't remember what I was listening to. If it was, I think it was a podcast or a YouTuber. I'm pretty sure it was a podcast though. And I remember the person they were saying, you know, when you're really driven towards your goals and your dreams of what you want to do with your life, that you should start your day every single day as if you already own that business, as if you already are making 6 figures. You know, you have to live, breathe, eat, and sleep that dream, that business, that goal you have. So all this week, or actually I kind of started it almost a week ago now, but I have been getting up about 7 a.m. every day as if I already run this business full speed, and I just work on my idea like every single day. Designed my own logo and name for my brand. I have changed the name. I can't tell you how many names I've gone through already, and I finally got a name down to the T. I already made my logo for it. I printed out my documents for the state because I need to go back and change the LLC name that I made for it last year when I registered for the business. So, welcome to my life as an entrepreneur. I mean, yes, the name can be like the very last piece of the pie that you work on, but it matters to me because right now I'm in a very hectic time where I'm participating in some things and working on some things for this business, and I've been claiming and saying this is my name, and I haven't even submitted the paperwork yet to change it. I've also got to put together a pitch deck slide for my class tonight in general for our businesses, because part of the assignment at the end of this class for the program is to present your pitch deck among the class and my professor. Side note here, I wanted to get me a couple of new bras because your girl needs some new bras. And you guys, I don't know the last time I bought a good bra. You know what bras they wear now? Nursing bras and mommy bras, and I'm like, I just want a bra, a cute pretty bra for myself. It also supports the girls and just makes me feel good. I did order some items to get started in the process of production for my business. I'm going to try producing at home my products, seeing how it goes. I'm starting with one item from the entire collection of products on my own. I'm going to see how it goes until I get the rest of the money so that I can professionally go into production. And I don't want to put it out there when it's not happened yet, and I don't want people anticipating something that hasn't happened yet. I mean, it could be coming and happening this year, and it could be coming and happening next year. Little notifications from my mail people, the mail postage thing here, that it is available. It has been delivered, so I do need to go to the mailbox and pick that stuff up. Here's what happened. I fell asleep after I went to get my packages, and I slept a little too long, so now I'm having to hurry up and get ready so I can head to campus, because our professional headshot photos got rescheduled to today, and they're right before our class tonight at 6, so I have to be at campus at 5 and it's now 4. So I'm a little annoyed. Do my makeup as quick as I can, and I'll let you guys kind of watch me